Greetings. An attempt was made to smuggle 4 tons of smuggled Swedish smokeless tobacco, snus, into Russia through Georgia. In the second quarter, 145,000 more Russians came to Georgia than in the first quarter of this year. The main tourist destinations for Russians are Tbilisi, Batumi and the wine region of Kakheti. The Georgian Tourism Administration, in order to attract wealthy tourists, is launching a large-scale marketing campaign on Bloomberg, which will last until the end of the year. Bloomberg will acquaint its numerous viewers and users of social networks with Georgia's tourist destinations, wine, Georgian cuisine, lifestyle. The transfer fee for Georgian football player Kvaratskhelia has been increased to $107 million. The English football club, Newcastle, offered this amount to the Italian Napoli in exchange for the Georgian footballer Kvaratskhelia. Last summer, Khvicha Kvaratskhelia moved from Dynamo Batumi to Italian Napoli for €12 million. Germany has allocated €5 million to help Ukrainian refugees in Georgia for the next 18 months. There are currently 26,000 Ukrainian refugees in Georgia. Uzbekistan is going to build and lease sea terminals in the ports of Georgia. After 2008, there are no diplomatic relations between Georgia and Russia, but economic ties are developing. Georgia exported goods to Russia for $1,270 million in the first half of the year. A protest action of forcibly displaced persons from Abkhazia, who emigrated to other countries in the early 1990s, took place in Tbilisi. They demand the restoration of Georgian citizenship. Russian-Swiss harpist Alexander Boldachev will give a concert at the Batumi Summer Theatre on August 12. Good luck to all of you.